All right. Good day, guys. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Okay. You're highly welcome here in this webinar. If you can hear me, just type "I can hear you." Okay. Before we start, I would like to invite others. All right. Let's invite others because I think some of them don't know actually know that we have already started. So I'll be inviting others right now. Invite your friends, your family. Okay, let me type the invite link. Okay. Just use the link. Use the link to invite your friends. Okay. I'll be writing the link in the description right now. So copy the link, invite your friends, your family, and all that. So if you can see my face right now, type "I can see your face." If you can see me, if you are seeing me on the screen right now, type "I can see you." In less than 5 minutes now, we are going to start. In less than 5 minutes, okay? We will be starting in 5 minutes time. Invite your friends. There are some people. Okay, I think that's the noise from, I don't know. So okay, you guys are complaining about noise. I think the noise is, I don't know where it's coming from. I think that's the weather, sha. Please, if you can hear and see me, just type I can see and hear you. Okay, we are just 1 minute remaining. A minute more, a minute more. Can I don't even know where this noise is coming from. I don't even know. I don't know whether is it a bad network or something like that. All right. Yes. Okay. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to have you guys in this webinar. Don't mind the noise. Okay, that's maybe probably because of weather, maybe network, something like that. So, but I'm so happy. I'm so excited to have you guys in this um, arbitrage training. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen right now. Okay, let's get started. I'll be sharing my screen and let's get started. Okay, so if you can see the screen right now, okay, just I want you to indicate. Okay, if you can hear me, just type I can hear you. Just type I can hear. Just type I can hear. If you can hear my voice right now, just type I can hear you. Okay. Type I can hear you. Okay. Let me know who that is hearing me. I can type I can hear you. Let's continue. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. That's good. That's good. That's good. That means we are up and running right now. So I warmly welcome every one of you guys in this wonderful and amazing training. Okay, it's been a long awaiting webinar, and this is one of the things you are actually going to be proud of, that you actually attended this webinar tonight. All right. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited. All right. So welcome to the $1,000 per month arbitrage training. All right. I'm so excited, just like you guys are. Okay. So in this training, I'm going to be opening your mind. I'm going to be opening your eyes and mind. Okay, to know what is actually missing on the internet space. Now, this arbitrage training, you might think that it is maybe one of those arbitrage training you are hearing of, or maybe one of those arbitrage opportunity you might be hearing about. No, this is different. This is absolutely different. All right. So this arbitrage trading skill is newly in the blockchain the blockchain world. Okay, so this arbitrage trading skills actually made me self-employed in less months. Oh yes, in less months. And if you are listening to me right now, if you have the opportunity to be here in this training, okay, you must know that you are here because you are intentional about your finances. You're not just here by magic. You're not just here by maybe you are just here by a sudden. No, you are here because you made decision to be here, and every decision you make, you are the one to take full responsibility of it. So I'm going to be revealing to you the arbitrage, simple arbitrage trading skill that made me self-employed in just 1 month. Yes, in just 1 month. Because me, I never knew. I knew I would never go broke since I found this opportunity. Yes. Now imagine you knowing this simple arbitrage trading skill and earning $1,000 per month every month. Now, if you remember, I didn't say in 6 months, I didn't say in 5 months, I mean in 30 days. Now, imagine that, imagine what that kind of money will do for you. You need to like you take care of yourself, take care of your mom, your dad, and everyone, every of your loved ones. All right. So that's what I'm about to review to you this night. Okay. Now you might be thinking, oh, who is this guy? Who am I? Like, okay, why will you listen to me? Okay, sorry, let me remove this so you can, or let me just leave it. So you might be thinking, why will I listen to this guy? So my name is Mwachukwu Sirio Nsupechukwu. Most of my students, in fact, most people call me Sirizubi. So anyone you choose to call me, if you like to call me by my surname, Nwachukwu, fine. If you like to call me by my the other name that most people do know me of, fine, that's fine for you. All right. So also I'm a Nigerian. So, but I want to tell you a story. In 2020, probably I think that was March 2020, I lost almost $1,000. I lost almost $1,000 in a fake crypto investment platform. So, so I lost almost $1,000 in a fake crypto trading. You know, so it was so frustrating for me. Like it wasn't funny because I was a former hotel manager. Okay, I was managing a mini hotel then. So all the money I worked there for almost 4 years. So all the money I have gathered there, because I'm trying to earn overnight, like trying to earn money anyhow. So I took all my investments. Then was like dollar was like about 400 and something per dollar in naira. I'm talking about naira rate. So if you're in another country, you can just cross check and in your own currency exchange. So I invested the money in that crypto investment platform, and all the money are gone. Like I lost all everything. I was so frustrated. In fact, I almost killed myself because I don't know what else to do. Not until I found this simple, trading skill that made me over $7,000 since 2023 alone. Okay, now I have used these skills to make a whole lot of money, and with my experience and my knowledge and everything I've already gathered in this trading skill, I'm able to mentor at least 500 students into this opportunity. So that's what I'm about to reveal to you right now. So if you're hearing me right now, so remove any form of distraction, anything that will distract you, any form of thing that will make you not to listen to or attend this webinar to the very end. So you actually grab and understand everything I have to say this night. All right. So, but I must tell you what this is not. Of course, this is not a crypto trading where you need signals. So if you're someone that maybe you think that this is a crypto trading where I need signals to trade and make money, no, it's not a crypto trading. It's never a crypto trading. So and it's also not an affiliate marketing where you need to sell products and services for you to make money. Okay, no, it's not. It's not that. All right. It's not a forex trading. It's not an investment scheme. It's not a Ponzi scheme or any networking platform or whatever you might know or be hearing. Okay. Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, just type I can hear you, okay? If you can hear me, type I can hear you. If you can hear me, just type I can hear you, okay? Okay, you can if you can hear me, just type I can hear you. Okay, okay, let's continue. So, okay, so I will be telling you different form of habitual trading and how you can profit from them, and how I and other students have made over $1,000 every single month with zero risk involved. And last but not the least, I have a special offer for you. And this special offer worth over $500, which is in naira 250K, 250,000 naira, waiting for you at the end of this webinar. Okay, so if you don't want to miss this offer, better still to the very end, because this offer is not just for everyone. It is for those who are going to stick to the very end of this webinar, who are going to get this free giveaway offer It's a free giveaway offer. So, and it's worth over $500. So, if you want to be part of those people that will have access, free access to this offer, just stick to the very end. All right. Now, what this arbitrage trading is all about, okay? Because this trading skill is called arbitrage trading. Trading, okay? So the arbitrage trading means in arbitrage generally it means that taking advantage of price differences across markets to make a buck. William, say you can't hear me, please. So generally, arbitrage means taking advantage of price differences across a market to make a buck. All right. If you have ever buy something very low and you will sell it at a higher price, you are actually perform an arbitrage trading. Okay. So anything you buy low and you resell it high, you are actually did an arbitrage trading. Okay, so even a pair of sneakers is priced differently, two different markets. Traders buy the cheaper version and then sell it higher at and make money. So, but in crypto space, okay, there are different arbitrage trading models that gives you the opportunity to buy low and sell high for profit. Example, launchpad arbitrage trading, coin listing. We have first of all the launchpad arbitrage trading. We'll be starting with launchpad. Okay, if you can see my screen, type I can see your screen. Let me see you type I can see your screen first. If you can see my screen and see me right now, okay, type I can see your screen right now. Okay, so let's continue. Launchpad refers to a situation where a particular crypto exchange gives you an opportunity to buy a pre-listed coin at a discounted or lower price before it being listed in that very exchange. Please, if you can see my screen, type I can see your screen. If you can see my screen, type I can see your screen, please. Okay, probably you guys, if you guys are can some of you guys that can't see my screen, please check your network. Maybe your network is not too okay. All right, so we are talking about Launchpad. Then after the coin is being listed, you then sell it at a higher price to make profit. Okay. Now, Launchpad is just like an exchange. You want to launch a particular coin that is not trading elsewhere, it's not trading anywhere else. And we take advantage of that to buy at a very cheap or low price. Okay, we take advantage of that to buy at a very cheap and low price. So we now sell it immediately, get listed, and this listing doesn't take up to 24 to 48 hours. So which means it's a daily stuff. Okay, now after the coin is being listed, you now sell it at a higher price to make profit. Different exchanges offers this launchpad opportunity. We have different exchanges that offer this arbitrage launchpad of arbitrage on a constant basis. Okay, now if you look at this screen here, you will see that this launchpad immediately is being listed, it start trading immediately. Okay, if you look at the screenshot, you will see that this particular coin that's been launched, okay, it did over 2,500%, which means immediately it's being listed, it start trading immediately. Now imagine you use like $10 to actually participate in this launchpad. Now you have made 2,000% of that $10, which is $2,500. Okay, but in terms of leaving it like this, it is strictly meant for crypto traders, because if you're not a crypto trader and if you leave it and maybe you're expecting it to go, it's crypto, so it comes down and it goes up. So it might go down okay, and you lose your money, it might go up, you gain. But if you don't want to be talking about that, better withdraw your profit immediately it's being launched. Better you withdraw your profit. All right, that's how to make profit from it. But if you're a crypto trader, you can just leave it, and be monitoring the trend and all that. So that is it. So coin listing arbitrage, we have another one called coin listing arbitrage. Now coin listing arbitrage might look similar to launchpad, but a little bit different. Okay, there's a difference here. The difference is that in launchpad, the launchpad, an exchange is launching a particular coin for the very first time, and that coin is not existing elsewhere. It's not existing anywhere else. But in coin listing, an exchange want to launch a coin that's already trading in another exchange. So do you see the difference now? So I'm using layman understanding to actually explain it. And during this listing, some exchange, the new coin pumps increase in price, and the new exchange where it's listed and other exchange where it's already trading. So you see it. So immediately it's being listed. Now the new coin that is being listed will now start pumping. Will now start going up, like trending up, you know. So, but what we do is that when it's being listed, we now withdraw our profit. That's it. So if you look at the screenshot, you will see the date of this listing. You see the deposits. We buy on the January of 17, 2023. This was actually an old screenshot. We bought on January 1st, January 17, 2023 at exactly 3 a.m. Now, he started trading, which means he get listed on the first, which is January 18, 2023, which means 24 hours interval, less than 24 hours. So we withdraw it that same day at 4 p.m. So all these things happen within a day. When it comes to coin listing is something you do within a day. Now, this is another form of arbitrage trading we call OTC. Okay, leveraging on this OTC can make you a whole lot of money for yourself. All right. Now, OTC means over the counter over the counter trading, over the counter arbitrage trading. So this OTC means that that exchange gives us an opportunity to buy a particular asset. Okay, we are leveraging on the price difference of a particular asset, and the asset could be USDT or BTC. Now, when we leverage on those two prices across two exchange on that asset across two exchanges, that's when you make profit. Let me give you an example. Let's say exchange A is selling USDT at the rate of $1, and exchange B is selling USDT at the rate of 1.5 cents. Now you want to make profit from those two markets. So what we do is, let's say we use like $10, okay, to buy. If you let's say you will buy $10 worth of USDT in exchange A, and go to exchange B to resell it at 10.5 cents, which means we have already made 5 cents. And this is something you can do over and over again. It doesn't have limit. You can do it repeatedly. It depends on the kind of chance you have. Now imagine you use like $100 to do it. Imagine how much profit you can be making. Okay, that's a whole lot. So that's how OTC can be profitable. And the best part of it is that you don't need any technical analysis. You don't need any technicalities. You don't need to be professional to be analyzing the market from one to how to go up or how to go down. No, you just buy low and you sell high, rinse and repeat. That's so easy. So another one is pair arbitrage. Now this pair arbitrage, it's 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 very very, I don't know how to put it, but it's just like placing a bet. Okay, let me say, in crypto trading, normal crypto trading, like when you want to trade future, for some of us here that are crypto traders, future traders, and spot. Now we know that we predict only the uptrend or we predict the downtrend. So if we predict the uptrend and the coin is going down, our market is going down, that means we are losing. If we predict the downtrend, our market, and then the market is going up, we are also losing. So it means that what we predict, it must be going on that thing we predict. But when it comes to pair arbitrage, it's not like that. Pair arbitrage is like placing a bet on two teams, on two teams in a single match. Let's say you say team A is going to win and team B is going to win or draw. Okay, now these two things, one must happen and we must win. Like I must win. One of these things must happen. I'm not going to lose. I must win. Okay, it's unlike other crypto trading where we need to place a bet on just one team to win, and if the team is losing, we are losing. So, but in pair arbitrage, whether it's going up or it's coming down, we are winning. So which put your chance of it put your chance of high risk of losing when you are actually trading normal futures and all that. But when it comes to crypto arbitrage, pair arbitrage trading, that team A and team B are called correlated pair. So I'm placing a bet on both of them. We call it pair arbitrage. Now, here are some of the student results. Here are some of the student results who actually engaged into these arbitrage models to make profit every single day. Now, here is, let me remove my. Can you guys hear me? Hello, if you can hear me, just type I can hear you. Okay, okay, let's continue. So, this is another student from the Trade and Growth community, okay, who just made $230 in just one trade. Okay, so these are the guys. This guy just made $230 in just a single trade. Okay, now that's almost 170,000 naira in Nigeria. Okay, so you can see the screenshot at the left hand side. This is his own testimonial. All right, so he made $230 in a single trade. Okay, there at the right hand side, you see this guy. This guy used $10. Okay, participated with $10 and made extra $10, okay, in a single trade, in a single buy low and sell high. He used $10. $10 in Nigeria is about 7,500 in the black market. He used $10 to actually made another $10 in a single trade. Imagine this guy if he used like $100. That's a massive profit. He just made an extra $100 in a single transaction. Okay, so you can see his testimonials. He said, regarding this, I made almost 100% of my 10.12 USDT. Okay, my first launch pad participation. Okay, he said his first launch pad participation. So this is another student in the community who just made $195. Okay, $195 is about 110,000 naira in Nigeria. Okay, please, if you are actually attending this webinar from another country, maybe in Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, or you know, Kenya or whatever, whichever country that you are currently in, okay, you can just convert this dollar to your own currency, and you know how much it worth. Okay, so this guy made $195 in a single transaction. Okay, so he said we don't gain 95 $195. That's less, nothing more. Wow, congrats. So these guys are making money every single day. They are just making passive income every single day. So now I want you to know what made this arbitrage model so special and unique. Okay, what made this arbitrage model so special and unique is that it's not a mining or whatsoever. It's not a mining platform. It's not an airdrop or any form of crypto trading where you need technical analysis. Okay, it's not all that. It's not you don't need any in-depth knowledge to do it. No, even if your brain is dead, even if your brain is half dead, you can do it because there's no technicalities, something that will making you money every single day. Passive income. Do you know what it means to make passive income in dollars every day? That's what this opportunity is all about. So, and it's highly profitable and very safe. Yes, highly profitable, massive. So, and it's 100% capital protection policy. In fact, this is why I love it. For me, I don't like losing money. I don't like, okay, where, okay, I will say I will like, unlike trading normal crypto futures and all that, I will have to analyze the market because I don't want to lose money. So when it comes to this arbitrage model, it is 100% capital. Your capital is 100% protected. You're not losing any single dime as long as you follow instruction. Okay, you're not losing any money. And it's also a beginner friendly that even a 5-year-old kid can do it. So you have seen what made these arbitrage trading models so special that even even if somebody that is already dead can wake up and start doing it. Okay, as we are seeing the result, but it didn't end there. So this is another testimonial from the right hand side. You can see what this guy said. This guy made over 130 dollars, 130 130,000 naira, which is in dollar. What it is about 100 and this is another member in the community who made can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, tap I can hear you. If you can hear me, type I can hear you, okay? Type I can hear you and see your screen. If you can hear me, type I can hear and see your screen. Let's continue. Okay, okay, all right. So another testimonial from two members in the community. Okay, this one made over $40 profit. You can see the screenshot at the left hand side. This one made $100 profit in a single trade. So if these guys can be making this kind of profit, I believe you can do it. Yes, now you can do it. If these guys are using this opportunity to end the story of being broke, story of being in a depression because of lack of money and all that, I believe you guys here, if you are listening, if you have the privilege of listening to my voice and see my face as well as attending this webinar, I believe you can do it. So another testimony from a group member, okay, he made $30. Now let's read what he said. He said, uh, same, I'm following your footstep, my lord. Okay, just pack $30 and all that. So this guy made $30 in a single trade. Remember, even with $10, even with as low as $10, you can participate in these arbitrage models. And the reason why I love it is that it doesn't require cards, all this credit card and all that. Just what we do is just buy low from an exchange, we sell it at another exchange to make profit. And we can just take advantage of these different models to make profit every single day. All right, let's continue. So these are frequently asked questions. I know you might be asking, you might be saying to yourself, you might be asking yourself, oh, how do I get started? How do I even start? Where will I start? How? I know that's what you might be asking yourself, but don't worry, because the question that might be going in your mind right now, okay, is huge. And that's what we want to tackle on right now. We want to tackle some of the questions that might be going in your mind right at the moment. Okay. So these are frequently asked questions from the previous training or previous webinar we have had. Number one of the question is it a Ponzi scheme? No, it's not a Ponzi scheme. The answer is no. It's a hell no. It's not a Ponzi scheme. This is not something that you invest your money and in the next 6 months it starts crashing or it crash. No, it's not like all these some of the arbitrage trading models you might know or you might heard about, that you need to invest in a particular company for them to give you your return of income every month. No, it is absolutely no. Okay. So, and another one is, does it comes frequently on weekly basis? Yes, it comes multiple times weekly on a weekly basis. Okay. Number three is, does it require technicalities or analysis? No, it doesn't require all these technicalities that involves in crypto future trading and sports. It doesn't require all that. No analysis. You're not analyzing anything. You're not technicalizing anything or whatsoever. How do I withdraw directly into my bank? You withdraw immediately you made your profit. Okay, if you like, you can even leave your money in dollars, in USDT. But if you like, you can just exchange it and withdraw it immediately directly to your bank. No issue of banking and all that. Just directly into your bank. So another one is, do I need signals? You don't need signals. No need signals needed. This is not something that signals will be provided for you on a weekly or daily basis. No, no signals needed. Okay. You see, another one is, does it have a special capital protection policy? Yes, 100% capital protection policy. You're not losing your money. Okay, your money is safe. Okay, your money is safe with you. How long do I start making money? Immediately you have access to this opportunity, this amazing opportunity, you start making your money. The next one is, what is the minimum capital to get started? Of course, you can even start with $10. Okay, in some of these arbitrage models offers you as low as $5 minimum startup. Some of them, like the one we did the other time, when we are going on, I will show you more of it. So this is another testimonial from another person in the community. She's actually a female. She made $107 in a night, in a single night. And $107 is about 90,000 naira. This is what she made. So if you read well in that testimonial, you will see how much she made. So in the right hand side, this guy made over $150. His name is Mr. J. You can see his name, Mr. J. He made over 150K in a single transaction. So that's it. You see, this weekend is soft. So this one, another testimonial from another guy. He made $56. You know, he made $56, which is if you read what he said, good morning, sir. What do you want to eat for breakfast? You know, we have little there was a little conversation here. So he was happy. So, and in our community, in this trade and growth community, I've been showing you all the members in it. Currently, as the time I'm recording this webinar or I'm having this webinar with you guys, we are over 1,200, um, 1,000, close to 1,200 participants or members or students in this trade and growth community. Okay, this first screenshot at the right hand side is 1,023. This one is group one. So, and if you look at it, it's already filled up. Okay, now this one is group two. This is another screenshot. This one is group two. Okay, we have about 122 participants or students or members earning profitably every single day in dollars. Okay, now if these guys can do it, why won't you do it? Ask yourself, why won't you do it? If you know you can do it, just type I can do it. All right. If you know you can do it, if you know you can do this, these guys are doing to make passive income every single day. Just type I can do it. I want to see you type I can do it. All right. Just type I can do it. Let's continue. I'm waiting for you guys. Just type I can do it. If you know you can be doing this kind of thing these guys are doing simply by leveraging on these arbitrage models to make passive income every single day. Okay, just type I can do it. I want to see you type I can do it. I'm not seeing anything. Type I can do it. We have over how many people participating in this webinar? Just type I can do it. If you can hear me loud and clear, type I can do it. Okay, guys, just type I can do it. I can see it. I love it. I love the energy. I love the energy that we have this night. Okay, I love the energy. I so much love the energy we have this night. Just type I can do it. If this guy are able, this guy don't have two heads. Look, do I have two heads? I don't have two heads. Some of my students, we don't have two heads. All of us, nobody has two heads. It's not possible. We only have this head. It's just information differs. What they know is what you don't know, and that is what you want to know right now. And how you can utilize on what that thing that they knew, okay, to make your own passive income every single day. All right. So this is what you are going to, be proud of this year. In fact, this year is going to be one of the best year you ever had in your life because this opportunity is a life-changing one. All right. So I hope you don't miss out. So if you look at the, all right, I love it. I love this. I love it. So if you look at the screenshot, if you look at the screenshot here, look at the screenshot here, you see that this this is a launch pad. This is a launch pad, and this launch pad was just few days ago. I think today is actually 23rd. This launch pad was done on the 19th April 2023. This launchpad was done on the 19th April 2023. All right. So you can see the date of the purchase. You can see the minimum purchase, the minimum amount you use to purchase it. We use as low as 0.01 USDT to purchase this amount per one. So we can use $10. We can use less than $5 or $2 to purchase it, okay, to make profit. And when we actually resell it back, we are selling it back at a higher price. Now the other one at the downside, the screenshot at the downside, is a launchpad that took place on the 18th of March. No, 18th of April, sorry. 18th of April. If you can see the date here, okay? And the minimum amount to use in participating is $10. Just like I said, even with $10, you can actually do this, even with $10, even with the minimum amount of $10. No matter the country you are, no matter the location you are, you can do it. Okay, you can see the time. So these things are working 100%. Okay, so now I know you might be asking yourself, how do I get started? I know that what might be going into your mind right now. How do I get started? Okay, I can't wait to get started. I can't wait to get started. But hold on. Before I show you how to get started, this is what you are getting from this profitable arbitrage system. Okay, from this arbitrage profit system, this is what you are getting when you actually get access. Now, introduction to arbitrage profit system, which worth over $20. $20 in naira is 15,000 naira. Okay. Number two is access to the centralized exchanges needed for the arbitrage. It's worth over $45. $45 in naira is 33,000 naira. Okay. Um, how to verify those exchanges for easy acceptance. Of course, if you don't know how to, because we are making use of foreign exchanges, we are making use of foreign exchanges that are verified, okay, that give us the leverage on doing this profitably. So if you don't know how to sign up and verify those exchanges, they might even ban you. So how to do that is what we are getting to avoid any single mistake. In fact, it's a step by step. It's a very simple thing to do. So and worth over $30, which is 20,000 naira. So how to spot high profitable coin? Yes, you also be learning how to seeing how to spot high profitable coin that will do over 100s. Okay, that will do over 100s. Now a whole lot of people are coming to me and asking me, hey Cyril, Mr. Cyril, I lost my money in a particular coin because I invested in that coin. Now this is the reason. The reason why you lost some money in that particular coin is because you didn't do research. You don't know how to spot the high profitable one. You just go and invest your money anyhow in any project you see that might even bring a whole lot of losses, okay, to you, and which is not good. It's not good. So this is what we are getting. We are going to learn, see how to spot this high profitable coin to make excess money from it. Yes, I didn't mean in years or maybe in 6 months. I mean every single month. How to withdraw your profit directly into your bank. You also be learning how to withdraw your profit with no issues, and it's worth over $40, which is 35,000 naira. Coin flipping, yes, you'll be learning how to seeing how to flip coin across different exchanges to make passive income. I mean in dollars, not in naira, in foreign currency, and it's worth over $100, which is 75,000 naira. But wait, all these things are worth over $295. All these things you'll be getting from this opportunity of these arbitrage models, they are worth over $295. And $295 in naira is 295,000, okay, 250 naira. So this is what you're about. Wait, you're not even going to have access to all this kind of money now. No, it's big. It's big now. Who gets this kind of money now? No, you don't have it. Okay, even me, if I'm attending at the first time, I don't even have it, but you're not going to get about. I want to ask you this question. If you are listening to me right now, think about it. Just let's analyze it well. Okay, just let's analyze it. If this arbitrage trading helps you make over $1,000 a single in a single month, which is in the next 30 days, $1,000 is about 750,000 naira. So if this arbitrage trading helps you make over 750,000 naira as a Nigerian, $1,000 as a Ghanaian, as a Kenyan, as a South African who is attending this webinar, if this webinar helps you to make that kind of work, how will you feel? Like you don't need to worry about taking care of yourself, paying your bills, sending your mom or your dad money every single week, taking care of your loved ones, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, taking care of them. How will you feel? I know that's a whole lot. That's a whole lot, isn't it? Now look at the screenshot at the right hand side. This guy said, "Hi, the exchange tonight. Good evening, sir. I just checked my wallet now. What I'm seeing there, they shocked me. Of course, he actually spoke broken. I never believe there is an update like this. People are really making money like so. To make $1,000 in launchpad arbitrage is very easy. Of course, it's very easy. And I reply how much he made that day. He said he made $259 that day alone. And $259 is about 194,000 naira in Nigeria. So you can see how much this guy made in a single transaction. He didn't make this kind of money in a long week, a long month, or just buy low and sell high, okay, depending on the capital the person had, okay, just like the normal market, the higher the capital, the higher your profit. The lesser your capital, the lesser your profit. Okay. So He now said the only regret is not starting early. So the only regret this guy is having right now is not starting early. So imagine you have access to this like right now as you're seeing it, because it's not going to be there. So, but wait, to get access to these arbitrage trading models, take advantage of all these things I just mentioned here in this training. You're not even going to pay $1,000. Look, paying $1,000 is like a change to something that will be making you money for a lifetime till you die. Something that will, no knowledge is a waste. No knowledge is a waste. So you're not even going to pay that, even though you worth it. Of course, you worth it now. Think about it. You're not even going to pay $500, which is 375,000 naira, even though it's still worth it. Or what about $300? Something that will making you money differently every single day. You don't have to worry about being broke. You don't have to worry about the bad economy and all that. Okay? You're not even going to pay that. So to get access into this arbitrage trading model, you need to pay $100, which is 75,000 naira every single month. But hey, I mentioned $100. Some of you guys here might be say, oh, it's too much. Per single month, you pay $100. Okay, imagine you are making $1,000 and you are paying $100 every month. Imagine that kind of thing. Okay, but just like I said earlier, I have a very huge giveaway offer for those people who will be getting access right now. Remember, this is a monthly payment, but wait, I have a very special offer to the lucky ones attending this webinar right now. If you know you are here, just count yourself very lucky, because you slightly grab this. In fact, you slightly, have access to this opportunity in just a thin time. Okay, now you're not going to pay $100 if you are here, and you're not going to be paying monthly. You only get access now with $35 forever, a lifetime discount offer of $65. Okay, now $35 is 22,500 naira if you're a Nigerian. So a discount of $65, which is 52,000 naira. Okay, so you're not going to get access to that and be paying. You're not going to get access to one with $100 and be paying monthly. So since you are here, I'm giving you opportunity to pay $35, which is 22,500. But it's not for everybody. Oh. No, it's not for everybody. I'm just picking special kind of people who will register this night in the next 24 hours. So I'm just picking just 15 persons to get access now. Okay. For this, and grab this lifetime discount offer of $35, which is 22,500 naira. So if you are one of those people that is going to get access, if you belong to the one of those 15 persons, 15 lucky persons, remember, after these 15 lucky persons, the price goes up to $100, which is the price goes up to $100, which is 75,000 naira. So do not say I did not tell you. But wait, it's not. It didn't end there. It didn't end there. It didn't end there. Okay, you're also going to get these 5 extra hot bonuses. This 15 lucky person is going to earn 5 extra bonuses when they actually get access to the lifetime discount offer of $35, which is 22,500 naira. Okay. Now, number one is over-the-counter arbitrage, which worth over $100, highly profitable, something that will making you money on a daily basis. Coin listing arbitrage, the same thing, worth over $40. Okay. Pair arbitrage trading, worth $25. You're also going to get access to You're also going to get access to triangular arbitrage, which worth over $45. You're also going to get access to make $500 in 30 days money back guarantee. Now, this is incredible. Let me explain. In the next 30 days, and you were able to make $500 in the next 30 days, I'm going to refund you that money you used to register. Like in the next 30 days, you made $500 in the next 30 days. Okay, I, Sirizubi, is going to refund you this $35 that you used to get access. as a thank you message, like as a welcome or congratulatory message. Oh, you have done well. Yes, I've been doing it. Okay, it's not today. All right. So all these things are what over. All these things are what. All these things are worth over $210, which is 155,000 naira. But you're not paying for it. Okay, you're not paying for it. So you're getting everything for free. Now, if you look at this screenshot, if you look at the screenshot at the right hand side, you see that this guy in the OTC trading group, you see this guy target for a whole day is $100. But he said, by God's grace, I will reach, okay, $22 already made in 1 hour. So this guy actually, the target of this guy is $100 in a single day. But in 1 hour time, he have made $22. Wow, that's incredible. That's incredible. Somebody that has $100 target for a day and the next 1 hour he have made $22. Imagine how much the person will make in the next 5 hours. Okay, that's how profitable OTC can be. Okay, now, it doesn't also end there. So just be counting your, don't just be getting ready because it's going to be a fastest finger stuff. Okay, it's going to be a fastest finger stuff. Now, these four extra hot bonuses is just rare. In fact, this one I don't like giving it out, but because I want to make some people happy this night. Okay, I'll be giving it out. Stake to earn daily. This stake to earn is something that this stake to earn is something that earns you money even when you are sleeping. You are staking your money and you are earning percentage of it every single day. At the end of the 7 days, in 7 days time, you withdraw both your profit and your capital. Okay, if you look at the screenshot at the right hand side, you will see perfect example of this thing I'm talking about in the trade and go rich community. Okay, you see this person staked $492 and made back $581 in the next 7 days. So that's the power of stake to earn. So you don't need to sell anything. You don't need to just stake your money, okay, and leave it there. At the end of the week, you withdraw both your profit and your capital, and it's worth $50, which is 37,000 naira. So vote listing, which is passive income. This is where you participate in vote listing to make passive income. You participate in a coin that is about to get listed. Immediately you vote for that coin, you earn money for it. Another bonus is daily DeFi um, daily DeFi coin to buy and hold for maximum profit. So I'm going to giving you access to my daily DeFi coins to buy and hold for maximum profit, which means every single day I'm going to giving you high profitable coins to invest in and wait for the bull run to make a profit from it. And number four is a proven airdrop community. You know, not airdrop community are highly profitable. They are ones that are full of scammers. So I'm going to giving you that. Okay, the one that you make free money. Imagine you earning free money. That's incredible. So I'm also going to give you 1 month free data subscription for that. So if you can see that this is a whole lot of steal for me. It's a whole lot of steal for me. So these 15 people will be lucky. So let's get started. So this is an example of vote listing. If you look at the vote listing here, you see number of votes here, 871. The total number of votes that needed to be completed is 1,000 votes, and it's already 871 votes. So immediately this vote is being complete. Immediately, those people that participated in this vote, we have to get share of $5,000. Okay, so this $5,000 is going for all the 1,000 voters here. So which means if you participate in this voting, okay, you are going to get your own money from here. Okay, so that's what is vote listing, and this is what you are getting also. So now this is how to get started. What you need to get started right now is just copy this link. This link I write here, https double dot forward slash tinyurl.com forward slash grow rich 247. Write this link down in your Google browser, in your Chrome. Write it down and click on the search button to get started immediately to grab your own spot. Remember, only 15 persons, okay? Only 15 persons that will get access this very night. And after your registration, send me a screenshot and prove your name, your full name in the number below. This is my number, +234 0253 1772. So send me your payment proof and your full name to get access to these bonuses. All right. Now, if you look at the screenshot, you see the testimonial of this person who made. You can see his quick review, the pair arbitrage model. Okay, this is also what you are getting. Okay, thanks, boss. It's a product of your mentorship. God bless you for this. If I continue like this, before 6 months' time, I will have made 1 million naira. So you can see this guy is giving me a testimony and all that. So, and I believe some of us here, it's not all of us here that will have this network quality to click that link I mentioned earlier to get registered. So if you are one of those people that actually experiencing poor network connection, so what you need to do, it doesn't matter if you're Ghanaian or Nigerian or Cameroonian or Kenyan. So what you need to do for Nigerians, okay, this is my account details, Nwachukwu Sirio, Uzbechukwu, okay. My account number is 0082332807. Okay. So Access Bank is the name. You make a payment of 22,500 naira. Okay. And if you're Ghanaian, if you're Ghanaian, just make a payment to this account details 0243442937. Write it down, okay? Momo number is the account bank name. Make a payment of $450. So when you finish your payment, write uh, write me uh, write what's it called? Give me your payment screenshot and all that in this using this number +2348102571772. All right. So that is it. So for Kenyans, this is the number account details to payment Adeyinka Ademiluyi, okay, 0243621787. Okay, M-Pesa is the name. Make a uh payment of 4,800 Kenyan shillings. For Cameroonians, Ekene Pascal is the name. 673435766600. Okay, so MTN Momo payment of 26,500 Cameroonian cefas. So when you finish this payment, okay, just send your proof in this number below +2348102537772. All right. Remember, I said if you are having poor network issue in registering with the link I mentioned earlier. So that's when you now copy the account number that of your preferred country of your already country. So you make your payment there and send me a screenshot. For those using crypto payment, if you have crypto and you want to use crypto to make payment, here is a chance for you. Okay, this is my Binance Pay ID. Copy this Binance Pay ID. If you want to use Binance Pay ID to make payment, so copy this Binance Pay 2169316664. Okay, and make a payment of $35. So, but if you want to use USDT address of any exchange you are using to make the payment of $35, what you need to do is just send me a message in my number. I believe all of you guys have my number already. So send me a message in my +2340125317772. Okay, make a payment of $35. Remember, this lifetime offer is only for 15 lucky persons. Once I've gotten these 15 lucky persons, others will have to pay monthly subscription of $100. Okay, so you see it. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. If you have been praying to God at the beginning of this year that let God gives you something that will make you a whole lot of money, be it online or offline, anywhere it might come from, I believe you have seen it right now. Don't let an excuse or flimsy excuses, okay, let you miss this opportunity. So what you need to do, let me paste the link. Okay, let me paste the link here. Let me paste the link here. Okay. Someone said I should paste the link. Let me paste it. Okay. So if you have the opportunity to actually get access to this lifetime offer, I believe you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on this. Okay. Let me write the link. Okay. Let me write the link for you guys to see. Okay. I think I will write it on WhatsApp. Okay. Sorry, it's a mistake. I think I will write it on WhatsApp. I will write the link on WhatsApp. Okay. So this is actually the end of this webinar. Okay. Remember, you cannot move forward without taking a step. You only take a step for you to move forward. So, and only the brave ones are called the winners, not the weak ones. So, once you see opportunity like this, I believe you don't want to waste much of your time. So, see you on the other side. All right. So, I'm so happy, guys. So excited. Okay, to have you guys here. Okay, I believe